Alright, we're in a restaurant today and we got a sink that's backed up. Logan's gonna be snaking it out. Alright. Gloves on. So you're going to be undoing it like that, okay? Slowly at first because there's the water, right? No, down at the bottom. Down here. Right here. Yep. Yep. Okay, a little bit more. You'll start seeing the water come out. Okay, so you don't need the pliers now because it's loose, right? Okay, so you just let the water drain out. Okay, don't open it up all the way. Just what you can do, just kind of put a little pressure on it, right? That'll drain it out a bit. Sure. Okay, watch out for a sec. We're just gonna shift this over like that. There you go. Now you can even keep it down like that. Turn it over. Turn it. Yeah, like that. That's fine. Yeah, exactly. Yep. So remember how we were saying the other day about it following the curve, right? So push it in. Push, push, push. Turn it just a bit. With the, you can even use the machine. Okay, push. Okay, yeah. Yep, let's see for a sec. See that?
It's about that?
It's grease, yeah, it's full of grease, right? So. Okay. Keep going. There you go. Keep turning. Yeah. See the grease? Oh yeah, 100%. It's a kitchen, right? Okay, so let's pull it out now. Keep spinning, but pull it out and feed it into the machine. Slow down on the spinning. Okay, stop spinning now. Yeah, just pull it out. Okay, so let's put it back together. All right. Okay, so you can finish doing that up. Wires on it. So now we're going to run the hot water. Might have to snake it again.
You don't think it's this a small pot there or no?
No, because we know it's not there because when we opened it up, all the water drained out, right? So that means it's clear up to this point, right? So it just needs to be snaked again. It's turn the pliers, turn them over, yeah. Yep. There you go. Yep. Just lift that up. Yep. It's almost drained. Okay. Okay, so now we turn that, and then you snake it again. So, like I say, so you see the curve of the cable, right? All right. See how it's still, okay, so yeah, you want to keep going. Try spinning the other way. Okay, go. That you gotta spin it. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Spin it the other way now. Okay, go ahead. Okay, see how no more water's coming out, right? Where before there was? That means it's probably clear. So just keep spinning and pulling it back. Yeah, keep going. Okay, you see how you can hear it a bit? So now you want to just kind of slow down. So just like, yeah, like that. A little bit more maybe. Slow down, pulling it back. Okay, well, easy, easy. Okay. Now you're gonna put it back together. So basically take this, turn it. Use two hands. You don't, because you don't want to put pressure up here, right? Yeah, exactly. The other way, the other way. Yeah. Did everyone see that? Logan just got my hand job glove from Watson, all wet. Now we're gonna have to get a new pair. Thanks, Logan. So, try to do it one hand. Look here. Let's see. Right? Okay. Try to do it one hand. Work what's easier for you, but just open it up. Yep, open it up. And then bring it over this way, right? It's okay. right, okay. Turn the hot water on. Get up off the floor. Alright guys, how do you think Logan did? Let me know down in the comments. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy. That's Logan. Until next time, Charagna.